My topic is email marketing in detail explained, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Email marketing is a digital marketing strategy that involves sending commercial messages or information to a group of people using email. It is one of the oldest and most effective methods of online marketing, allowing businesses to communicate directly with their target audience and build relationships with current and potential customers. Building an email list. The first step in email marketing is to build a list of subscribers who have willingly provided their email addresses and consented to receive emails from you. You can collect email addresses through website sign-up forms, lead magnets, for example, free ebooks or resources, events, or other opt-in methods. Segmentation. Segmenting your email list allows you to categorize subscribers based on various criteria, such as demographics, interests, purchase history, or engagement level. This segmentation enables you to send more targeted and relevant content to specific groups, increasing the effectiveness of your campaigns. Creating engaging content. Once you have your email list and segments, it's essential to create engaging and valuable content for your subscribers. Content can include promotional offers, product updates, newsletters, blog posts, event invitations, and more. Designing email templates. Email templates help maintain consistency in branding and layout across your campaigns. Well-designed templates with clear call to action, CTA, buttons and mobile responsiveness can improve click-through rates and user experience. Personalization. Personalizing emails with the recipient's name or other relevant details can enhance engagement and make subscribers feel valued. Email marketing tools often allow for easy personalization based on the subscriber data you have collected. Automation. Email marketing automation involves setting up triggered emails or sequences based on specific actions or time intervals. For example, you can send a welcome email to new subscribers automatically or a series of follow-up emails after a purchase. Compliance and privacy. Complying with email marketing regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, or the CAN-SPAM Act, is crucial to avoid legal issues. Ensure that your subscribers have explicitly consented to receive emails and provide an easy way for them to unsubscribe. Email analytics. Email marketing platforms provide analytics to track the performance of your campaigns. Metrics like open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and unsubscribe rates can help you measure the effectiveness of your emails and identify areas for improvement. Email marketing is a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes, as it allows direct communication with customers and drives engagement, leads, and sales. However, it's important to focus on delivering value to your subscribers, avoiding spammy practices, and continuously optimizing your campaigns for the best results. Email marketing is a digital marketing strategy that involves sending commercial messages or information to a group of individuals or subscribers via email. It is an effective way for businesses to communicate with their target audience, nurture relationships, promote products or services, and drive conversions. Here's an overview of how email marketing works. Building an email list. The first step in email marketing is to build a list of subscribers who have voluntarily provided their email addresses and given consent to receive emails from your business. This can be done through website sign-up forms, lead generation campaigns, or other opt-in methods. Choosing an email marketing platform. To efficiently manage and send emails to your subscribers, you'll need an email marketing platform or software. There are various options available, such as MailChimp, Constant Contact, and ConvertKit, that provide features like email templates, list management, automation, and analytics. Creating email campaigns. Once you have your email marketing platform set up, you can start creating email campaigns. These campaigns can include different types of emails, such as newsletters, promotional offers, product updates, event invitations, or personalized content based on subscriber preferences. Designing email templates. Most email marketing platforms offer pre-designed templates or a drag-and-drop editor to create visually appealing emails. It's important to create a cohesive and professional look that aligns with your brand. Crafting compelling content. The content of your emails should be engaging, relevant, and valuable to your subscribers. Personalization and segmentation techniques can be used to tailor the content to the interests and preferences of different subscriber segments, increasing the chances of engagement. Sending and tracking emails. Once your email is ready, you can schedule it to be sent at a specific time or send it immediately. Email marketing platforms allow you to track various metrics, such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. This data helps you measure the effectiveness of your campaigns and make improvements for future emails. Ensuring compliance and privacy. When conducting email marketing, it's crucial to comply with applicable regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) in the European Union or the CAN-SPAM Act in the United States. This includes obtaining proper consent, providing an option to unsubscribe, and handling personal data securely. Cost-effective. Compared to other marketing channels, email marketing is relatively inexpensive, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes. Direct communication. Email allows you to reach your audience directly in their inbox, providing a personalized and targeted approach to marketing. Relationship building. By consistently delivering valuable content to your subscribers, you can build trust, foster relationships, and strengthen brand loyalty. Automation and personalization. Email marketing platforms enable automation, allowing you to send automated emails based on triggers or specific actions. Personalization can be achieved by segmenting your email list and tailoring content to each segment's interests and preferences. However, it's important to be mindful of best practices in email marketing to avoid common pitfalls, such as sending excessive emails, using spammy subject lines, or neglecting to provide relevant content. Building a quality email list and providing value to your subscribers should be the primary focus of your email marketing efforts. Email marketing refers to the practice of sending commercial messages via email to a group of individuals or potential customers. It is often used to build relationships with customers, promote products or services, and generate sales. Email marketing campaigns typically involve creating and sending out newsletters, promotions, special offers, and other types of content to a targeted audience. Cost-effective. Email marketing is a cost-effective way to reach a large number of people, as it eliminates the need for printing and postage. Targeted audience. With email marketing, businesses can segment their audience and personalize content based on demographics, interests, and buying behaviors, allowing for more targeted and effective campaigns. Increased conversion rates. Emails can be strategically designed to include persuasive content, compelling call to actions, and enticing offers, increasing the chances of conversion. Analytics and tracking. Email marketing platforms typically provide analytics and tracking tools, allowing businesses to measure the success of their campaigns, track open rates, click-through rates, bounce rates, and other important metrics. Automation. Email marketing platforms often offer automation features, allowing businesses to set up automated email sequences based on triggers or events, such as welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, or follow-up emails. However, it's important to keep in mind that email marketing should follow best practices and comply with local regulations, such as obtaining consent from recipients and offering a clear and easy way to unsubscribe. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.